I'm Lily Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, who's gonna make another fabulous dish for you. What are we making?
This is one of those classic recipes.
Okay.
Roast pork, broccoli rabe, and sharp provolone. This is a pork loin. This is honey. I find that this makes the herbs really adhere to this. Lily, hit me with the herbs. Just pour it on top.
Pour it on?
Yeah.
Just like
that's rosemary, garlic, fresh thyme.
the whole thing?
Yeah. Crushed red pepper and toasted fennel seeds. So this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about a half an hour. Lily, look at that. See the beautiful color we got on this thing here? We're gonna take a little bit of chicken stock right here. And this is called pan fond. That's the goods right there. So we got this on a low simmer, going for the butt of the pork, thin slices. That's gonna go in here with the juice. And now we're gonna just chop up some of this broccoli rabe. That's gonna go into the juice. Orecchio sharp provolone. We want thin slices of this. Pocket, gentle, you don't wanna break this open.
Don't break, don't.
Now we're gonna take this. I'm taking pork and I'm taking broccoli rabe. So you get a little bit in every bite. That is a South Philly roast pork and broccoli rabe hero.
You wanna make this hero at home? Head to our website, news12.com, and the recipe will be there. Couldn't be easier. And we're delicious.
My pleasure as always.